Hey everyone, today I will show you how can you make your terminal look like this with the help of neofetch. So let's get started. So at first we'll install neofetch by sudo apt install neofetch, then enter our password. Yes. So once it's installed, let's run neofetch. So it's working, but we'll have to configure it to show our own custom ASCII art. So let's do it. First we'll have to add new fetch as a startup command for the terminal. As you can see, it doesn't start on the startup of the terminal. So for that we'll have to go to our home folder and we'll have to enable the hidden files. Then there will be a file named bash rc. So here is the bash rc file. Open it up, and here at the end of the file, so if you, this is the first of the file, this is the end of the file. At the end of the file, just add neo I'm sorry just add neofetch and save it. So now when we run our terminal, neofetch will automatically run on it. So after that we will go to the browser, and I will give the link of this GitHub repository on the description. So from here, go to this block ASCII Linux Mint logo art.txt file and copy this whole text. So I will copy it. Then go to the file manager and click on the file system. Here go to the bin and search for neofetch, and there will be a shell script file for neofetch, and we want to display it. So here yours will open at the top, then come along little after where you will start to see the ASCII arts. So yeah, here are the ASCII arts. So now you will just have to paste the code somewhere. So I will find out where the Linux Mint ASCII arts are already existing, and I just like it a little organized. So yeah, I have found it. So this part is the Linux Mint small ASCII art, and this whole thing is the old Linux Mint ASCII art, and this thing is the Linux Mint ASCII art currently running. So we will just have to come here after these two semicolons and press enter. Then we'll have to paste the copied code from the GitHub repository. So that's it, and then save it. After that we'll save the file. It might ask you for the password as it is a system file, so I will enter my password, then it will save it. So now we just set it up in the neofetch, but we'll have to set it up to start on the startup of the terminal. So for that we'll have to go to the home, then we'll have to find out the .config file. So here it is, the .config file, and here we'll have to find out the neofetch. Here is the neofetch, and here we'll find the config file. So we'll have to open it. So we'll have to find out this ASCII distro, this text ASCII distro, and here it might have something else in this double quotation, so you'll have to set that up. For that, go to our neofetch file, and see here we have set the name to Linux Mint bold. So we'll copy this and then we'll paste it here. After that we'll save it. And after that, if you open your terminal, you will see this beautiful ASCII art here. So I had some problem with the I had some problem with the text file and text the name here. It was, if you followed my video, it was not the same name, but I had to change the name because the old name was not working. So if you are having problem with if you're having some issue with it running, it's not showing properly, then you can change the name. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much. If you liked it, you can subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. Thank you.